but here we go, we are on the vocal again. So as you can see, the vocal is pretty perfect. I didn't use any extra delay or whatever. There's a reverb here that I use when I come to the breakdown or things like that to let the vocal go a little bit further. But that's it. The rest, the vocal was perfect. So I just added a sidechain obviously on it. And as you can see this time, this is not a LFO Tools, but that's another one already coming with FL Studio. It's called Grossbeat. It's a really good sidechain tool too. It also makes transgate, all the things a bit like LFO Tool, but this is the sidechain I use on the vocal. It's a fair sidechain. It's not as crazy as sometimes I can go until -6, -7 here, but it works well with the sidechain, with the vocal here. And I'll be by your side, your side.